Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to completely reset Microsoft Edge browser. Now, if you are having issues with your Microsoft Edge browser, maybe when it comes to performance, downloading, sometimes when you open it, it does crashes, or even when you open it, it is not working at all. Or sometimes when you install your passwords, it doesn't reflect when you try to access those same websites. With this, you just have to reset your Microsoft Edge browser in order just to clear whatever virus or whatever effect that is just affecting it not to perform as you expected. So to do this reset, I'm just going to show you two methods of how to completely reset it. Now, first thing for us to do is just to use the browser itself to reset it. Once you open your browser, just as you can see, as I've opened my Edge browser, just click on these three dots, go to the settings here. On your left here, we have reset settings. So click on that. And then we have here restore settings to their default values. So click on it. And then you can see we have here, this is the option that it is going to clear whatever that you have on the browser, and you just click on reset. If you have done reset and it's still giving you those same issues, so once again, so let's close this now. Just go to this PC and go to your local drive, your local disk drive, so which is your drive C. So open your drive C and go to your users. Under users, open your account. So open your account. Once you open your account, you can see here we should have been seeing a folder called app data, but we don't have that folder here. What we need to do is that folder is a hidden folder. We need to view it. To have access to that app data folder, which is hidden, just click on view and then go to show, and then we have here hidden items. So click on it, and now the folder is here. And even when I don't click it, you can see that it's blurry. That is the folder. So click on it, app data, open it, and then go to local. In local, just look for Microsogt. So we have Microsogt here. So open Microsogt, and then look for Edge. So we have Edge here. So what you just need to do is that you just have to delete this folder, because this is the folder that contains whatever data that is using the Edge browser. So you just have to delete this Edge folder. In order to delete it and clear whatever file that is on it, on your keyboard, press Shift key, then plus delete, and then click on yes. This is it. It is deleting all the files which the browser contains. Right, so once you just do that, just click on this, do this for all, and then skip. Right, so once it's been cleared, now your browser is now fresh. Once you are done with this, so hide back the folder once again, just in order not to allow people to have access to that folder. So go to the view once again, show, and then uncheck hidden icon. So now the app folder is now hidden again. Now let's access your Edge browser again. So open the Edge browser. Once you open the Edge browser, it's now going to be a fresh browser, which even if it is not updated, what you just need to do is that you just have to go to this and go to the settings and just update it to the latest version. That is just how easy and simple it is to completely reset your Edge browser in Windows 11, or even this same process can be done in Windows 10. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.